The Study Secret, a story for beginner English learners. In a bustling town, there lived a young girl named Priya. Priya was eager to learn English, but she often felt overwhelmed by the complexity of the language. She knew that mastering English would open many doors for her future, but she didn't know where to start. One day, Priya met her neighbor, Mr. Sharma, a retired English teacher. Noticing her struggle, he decided to share a secret that had helped many of his students. He said, "Priya, the key to learning English, or any language, is consistency and practice." Mr. Sharma introduced Priya to the 10-minute rule. He explained that she should dedicate just 10 minutes every day to practicing English. It sounded simple, but he assured her it would make a big difference. The next morning, Priya began her routine. She started with simple exercises like greeting herself in English and naming objects around her room. Each day, she learned a new word and tried to use it in sentences. She kept a small notebook where she wrote down new words and their meanings. Priya also discovered the joy of reading English books. She began with children's stories, which were easy to understand. As her vocabulary grew, she gradually moved to more challenging books. She read aloud to improve her pronunciation and fluency. In the evenings, Priya practiced speaking with her family. They would have short conversations in English during dinner. This helped her gain confidence in using the language. Months passed, and Priya noticed significant improvement. Her school performance improved, and she could hold longer conversations in English. She even started writing short essays and stories in English. Priya's journey showed her that the secret to mastering English was not a big leap, but small, consistent steps. With perseverance and practice, she turned her dream into reality. And so, Priya became an inspiration to her friends and classmates, proving that with dedication and the right approach, anyone can learn and excel in English. I hope Priya's story inspires you on your journey to learn English. Remember, small, consistent steps can lead to great achievements.